All right, fellas, I've been out here stacking some wood up in the fire pit. I'm gonna fire this baby up this afternoon, get some smoke rolling, and it'll be the first time we've fired this up this year, so I can get some smoke rolling. Got some people coming over. We're gonna do some burgers out and have a good old time back here. All right, let's get in here, fellas. You know, I told you I won that pay it forward drawing from Terry over at Malacar Body Shop, and I got it in last night. Here it is. Let me get my seat here, fellas. All right, there it is. That's the kit that I won from Terry, and I'm gonna do my drawing, or my video here for the pay it forward drawing that I'm gonna run. And I've already got I'm gonna send out 2 kits. Look at this. I've already got this one boxed up, but this is one Terry sent me that I won, and this is another kit I'm sending out. Let me show you what it is here. Whoops, where's it at? There it is. All right, that's the other kit. That's the Revell 90 Mustang LX 5.0 drag racer. So 2 kits are going out. Both of these right here. I'm getting ready to box this one back up. But Terry won his pay it forward drawing from Chris over at Chris's House of Plastic. So I'll leave both Chris and Terry's link to their channel down below in the comments section. If you guys don't have it, you can go over and check them boys out. But these are the 2 kits that I'll be shipping out. I wanted to do it this way. That way, if you end up being the winner of my pay it forward drawing, you can either take something out of your stash or one of these kits and pay it forward, or any way you want to do it. But the end result is going to be you're going to get to keep 1 kit. So I thought that'd be pretty cool. So guys, if you want to be included in on this pay it forward drawing, just leave a comment down below and say I want to be in on the drawing, and I'll put your name down on the list. And then I think we're going to do, let's take a look here. Today's the 3rd. I think let's do the 20th, the middle of the week, November the 20th. That's when I'll do the drawing for the pay it forward. And I'll do that drawing on that day, and if you're the lucky winner, you'll get both these kits, and you can run your own pay it forward drawing. So let's just keep this thing going, fellas. All right, I think that's about all I've got. Just wanted to make this a short video about the pay it forward drawing. So guys, get in on it. All right, I'm done.